your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. I'm rooted in your center. For your very eyes, where you lead, I enter. I know they think twice. The one who knows me better. You call me by your name, mighty Jehovah. Your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. Don't want for nothing cause you are enough. Cause the world offers nothing that you haven't already given.
I cannot be timid, getting bolder every day. Spending more time listening and watching what I say. When you see success, the people may line up to hate. I'm at the table, he prepared and I'm filling up my plate. And yes, I let him lead me through the valley. Yes, I let him lead me through the storms. And even when they told me that I will be alone, he told me that I'm exactly where I belong.
One who knows me better. You call me by your name, mighty Jehovah. Your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. Joy like a river, joy with the flow like water. From your spirit to my spirit, yes it flows, flow. Joy we no get the barrier, it dey bust the medulla. From your spirit to my spirit, yes it flows, flow. This kind of joy, how I want to explain, oh. Money no fit obtain, oh. Joy in the midst of the big day, oh. It dey totally my body, not the matter within my mind now. When challenges come, you say look away and count it all joy now. So I trust your word for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning, morning of my life. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning. Now the days are gone. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. Father, yes, you fill my heart's desires. Oh, I've come to find you are the treasure. Don't be Gucci or Armani, you be the one I really need. You be the one for me, you be the one in me. Give me so much peace, you put my mind at ease. Oh, this kind of joy, how I want to explain, oh. Money no fee obtain, oh. Joy in the midst of the big day, oh. It is totally my body, not the matter within my mind now. When challenges come, you say look away and count it all joy now. So I trust your word for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning, morning of my life. My heart is singing, hallelujah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning. Now the days are gone. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. You made me just like you. Every step I take in your second guessing myself when you put me on the spot that I dwell. Made in your image, I'm a bone, let me hear you say bone, not by might, by your power in my life. The spirit is leading, the spirit is breathing, moving on my mind. Wonderfully, beautifully made, wonderfully in your holy image, wonderfully. Not my life you separate for your glory. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I know I can. I know I can, I can. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I can. I know I can, I can. Heavy laden, come with all your burden. Come and I will give you rest, yeah. I'll take all the suffering. Come, my yoke is easy. This is greener pastures, right?
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the pusher still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace Jade and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody.
What's up, chat? Good morning, gang. How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing, chat? Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym, even when results say show. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will to let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed mine, like you changed mine. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see.
What's good? What's good, chat? What's up? Drop the energies in the chat. Come on, let's go.
So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in,
Energies in the
no matter
chat.
what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be alright. I've always had the ultimate confidence.
Keep God first. You'll be all right.
And I always strive to be the best I can be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant.
All right, gang. How you guys doing? Good morning.
God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way, and still moving with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who had first brought me and my mom, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know,
Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing?
and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church. And I remember one day I seen her going to church. She's like, you want to go to church with me? And I'm like, yeah. And I went. You know, I really went because
Alrighty, chat. What's up? What's up, Prophet? What's up, Sia? How you doing? Shout out to 15 viewers right now. Shout out to you guys. Morning waiting. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We gonna wait. What happened to the chart now? Oh, no move. We gotta move, but yeah, man. 1,000 pip. 1,000 pip. Bias today. No stops, Friday. Let's go. Yeah. Bias today. Yeah, let's do the tap down here so we can have some bias. Let's do the tap down. Let's start with the weekly because the weekly is about to end, you know. So the weekly, as you can see here on price. So right now we are consolidations probably on the weekly candle. And we moved down pretty heavy. As you can see here, we got I say support right here, or support this minor levels, and then you have next support probably down here. We didn't tap the major zone, right? We didn't tap the major zone, but we tapped some minor levels on price, and then the price react pretty heavy, as you can see here. We probably gonna close doji on the on the candle, right? Do we have news later tonight? News. Oh, we don't have news. So interesting day here. We got some orange folder here, but FOMC. I don't know if this is just a minor folders, yellow folder. So basically, it's a minor. But let's see if we can have a volume. But yeah, Monday. Powell speaking again. So yeah, there's no news later tonight, and yeah, that's the weekly. We have weekly rejections, daily time frame. Let's drop down to the daily. So the daily, as you can see here on price, we got a new support form, right? And as you can see, we move up, right? Pretty much we move up, and yesterday candle closed bearish, but didn't close below the range, right? So we expect this high and the low kind of high again, but I believe, you know, this kind of high is not enough to move down even further, right? Because it's gonna look like this, and then like this. So for me, it's not enough because you still have room here that you need to fill. But let's see here. But for me, you have a new resistance form. If you wanna make a new high again, there is a high chance if this candle close probably above. So on the Monday, we probably gonna pops up here. Minimum for me, if I wanna see some new high, probably this, yeah, this kind of high. So it's gonna look like this. So like this, yeah. And then moving down even further. But this high is not enough for you to push down even further probably. But we have a closure. We have a bearish closure yesterday. A heavy bearish closure. Move almost 2000 pip. But respecting, the daily candle didn't close below the range, so it will probably have a weak fail, but didn't push through. Didn't probably we might see ranges today, consolidation on the lower time frame. So the 4 hour time frame, we got support. So this is a support here. We got a new support form right here too. Resistance above. The candles are painting side by side here, as you can see. This one, right? So let's wrap down to the hourly. Yeah, hourly we got structure. So support level, resistance. There's no closure above. How many pip we can move down? 600 pip. Let's see on the 15 and 30 here. Yeah. So as you can see here on the 30 minutes candle, the candle are getting small, right? The body of the candle are getting small. This one is getting small, getting small, getting small. So for now, what we gotta do is um early, yeah. Look at that. Probably there's no volume yet on price here on the candle because look at this 15 minutes candle. We cannot just okay, I'm gonna take a sell here right now because like this, like that. No. So we need to figure out if we have a lot of volume. But right now I guess we don't have, we're not moving. The body of the candles are getting small. So yeah, let's see here. Today is Friday, gang. If you are up this week, man, and we don't have any like a potential trade today, man, you need to call it a week. Right, let's see here. This is gonna be my level so far. I'm gonna mark that resistance, and this is gonna be my support. 30 minutes, yeah. Though 30 minutes you got support here, but it's okay. Because in the 50 minutes time frame, you got a lot of choppy range here. So yeah, man. But we need to wait probably. I like some buys here today. I like some buys, but I need to wait. We need to wait for the candle form. If this candle push like this and then the next candle close bullish, yeah, we might grab that to move up once again. But let's see here. Let's see. Right? So yeah, man. Chai, if you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to 19 viewers right now. If you are new to the channel, make sure you drop a like and subs to the channel. Drop like, subs to the channel. You're welcome, Clinton. You're welcome, bro. What's up, Rays? How you doing? Good morning. Good afternoon. Gold is moving pretty much slow today. I guess Asian session moved nice. Yeah, Asian session move up here. Asian session move up, but look at this. Look at this chop here. If you see this kind of, candles, man, doesn't look good. 30 minutes time frame, yeah. The candles are getting small. The body of the candles are getting small. So it means no buenos, no good. Shout out to 26 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you are new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel, drop a like, share the stream. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. 12 more subs. 12 or 22. 22 more subs and then we're gonna reach 1K. 4 seconds delay. Yeah, it probably, yeah, 3 to 4 seconds delay. Normally on YouTube, it's normal, pretty normal. Pretty normal on YouTube, the delay. But on TikTok, how many seconds delay? It's normal or what? It's live. I mean, it's the same time or because if in TikTok it's good, I probably gonna live on TikTok too. Oh, mostly seconds. Oh no. Oh no, 6 seconds. No, YouTube is fine. But I guess I can live. I can do live stream on both TikTok and live account in one stream. Yeah, pretty soon probably. Let's see. So I need to check on TikTok too. I need to check on how to do live stream there. All right, Goldie, can we move now? Can we broke structure now? Can we broke structure for our flip? Nice. Look at this, how the candles are reacting in the floor. Might say, oh, double top. Double top. It's a double top. I'm on sales for 2 hours now. Oh, wow. W, man. W. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Any potential TPs? The 4 hour might push. I don't know, man. For me, if I'm up like 100 pips, I probably gonna close partial now. If you're up, how many pips you're up now? Potential TP probably 4429. Yeah, this is gonna be a support level that price can react. So yeah, probably I'm gonna close partial right now. And yeah, moving stops to break even and let it run towards to the downside, probably 4377. 4422, 4422. Huh? 4422 is below here. Are you on drawdown or what? $380 pips. Oh yeah, I mean yeah, 4422 is your target. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we might see some grab here. Fill the wick here on the left. But for me, if I'm up 380, probably gonna close partial, close full. 4422 is my target. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can, the price can do it that. 4422 is below here on the wick. What the fuck is EQL? Equilibrium? That's equilibrium. Equal though, ah, yeah. Equilibrium. The fuck, equilibrium? What I'm talking about, bro? Equilibrium. Equal though. See ya, relax, bro. Relax, man. And there's, yeah. What's the strategy? ICT. What's the co ICT? SMC, SSC, STD, BBC, SMC. I think, yeah. SMC. Oh, nice. Yeah, SMC. Yeah. I don't know about SMC, bro. I don't have any knowledge about that. I just know price action, but yeah. So those term, EQL, yeah, I don't know that. Trade like banks on price is king, man. True that, yeah. If you learn how to do price actions, yeah, you're gonna be king, man. Before I was, I don't know, man. I trade too many strategies before when I start trading. Like 3 months, 1 to 3 months. I pulling up my Fibonacci. I I I I have an indicators. I still have here. You see, look at this. It's this is indicator. Yeah, if this turn green, I'm gonna buy. If this turn red, I'm gonna sell. Damn, bro. I start with this. Look at this. And I have this too. Moving average. Look at that. See? This is a parabolic. See, look at that. I have too many, bro. I have too many indicators when I start trading. It's still here. Right? Remembering all the things that I have. Volume. I have this too, bro. I'm putting this. Volume. See, look at that. Oh, look at my chart now. It's like a rainbow. Holy. Yeah, before when I start trading, one to around 1 month, 3 months. 3 months I stopped doing indicators. It's not gonna help. I'm gonna I'm gonna confuse myself. It's like Christmas. It's like a Christmas. Yeah. Oh yeah. You like this, chat? You like this? Damn, man. Looks nice. See, I have an indicator here. So now we got sell. Now it's telling to take buy. This one. Oh, you have an indicator now. It said okay, buy now. It's like every Holy. Buy now full margin. Yeah. See, look at this indicator here. Saying buy. So yeah, man. Cute. We use eye indicator only. Yeah, sure that. I mean, I like the eye indicator. That has a delays. Man, indicator, I believe, won't help you. The indicator won't help you. Indicator won't help you. Price action reading candles will help you. Price action, learn how to read candles, collect data. Man, too many. You need to have learned too many skills. What is PA, bro? Price action, yeah. Price action best for me. I think all those SMC or whatever they just confluence. Um, I mean, you just said that you are learning price action and SMC. Price action and SMC is different. There's no equal low on price action. What we have in price action is support, resistance, right? We called some plays, onion play, impulse entry. Yeah, everything works. I mean, if you are good in SMC, yeah, just stick with SMC. You don't need to hop on to the other strategy. Focus on one, yeah. Master the one. Master one pair, master one session, two session, you're gonna be good. Don't need to rush things. You don't need to rush process. And I believe that's gonna work. It worked for me. Probably it's gonna work for you too. It's gonna work for everyone. It's gonna work for everyone here in the chat. As long as you're willing to wait, as long as you're willing to adapt to the market, as long as you're good, man. Holy. 3% a month with a million capital, boom, finish. Yeah, man. Bro, for me, I don't care about percentage. I don't care about how much I've made in a month. As long as my family are eating 3 times a day, as long as I'm good, as long as I'm paying my bills every month, I'm good. I'm happy. Sometimes we need to be we need to be contented in one thing. It's not just all about money and all. We need to be contented on what we have right now. Because yes, you have $1 million account or you have a million or 100K, 100,000 on your bank. What you gonna do on your 100K a bank? I mean, what you gonna do on the 100K money, $1 million money? Are you gonna pay the debt like that? You're gonna buy a new car, you're gonna buy a new watch? No, because you need to understand that if you have a lot of money, you need to control yourself too, right? As long as you are, willing to learn and adapt slowly, slowly, bro, you're gonna go through the money that you want, that the goal, that's the goal. We're gonna have $1 million, probably a house, a new car, but it's slowly, step by step, and I believe on that. You know, if you're gonna watch some, podcast that, let's say, Raja Banks, you know, I watch Umar Ashraf too. I adapt to Umar Ashraf. His mindset is something else. I adapt to podcast with Nano. Because if you're gonna focus more on money, if you're gonna focus more on percentage a month, yeah, if you're gonna be profitable, but you're gonna ruin yourself in terms of money. You're gonna crash yourself because you're only gonna focus on money. No, because you are not contented of what you have right now, so you need to be contented. It's all about delayed gratification. You need to delay something to achieve something. Make sense? Yeah, makes sense. It's like a pastor, no? Yeah, always remind yourself, tap yourself. Are you okay? Self, are you okay? I always stop myself, man. Are you okay? Are you okay? Like this. What you gonna do? What's the deal today? You need to have a deal. And if you are new, if you are new to trading, you wanna start trading, you need to have a goals. You need to have a clear directions. Clear directions will lead you the way, man. Clear directions. You have a clear directions in your mind. I know I'm gonna go through there. Okay, locked in. Do the work. Heads down. Do the work. Because it's easy to say, oh, okay, I'm gonna lock in today. But you're not working. You're not gonna do anything. You're not disciplined. You're not doing anything on stuffs that you're going to grow. Have a goal, directions, and you're gonna be good. It's not all about okay. It's not all about okay. I have this goal, this and that. But you're not gonna do anything. What's gonna What's my opinion on VWAP indicator? Is it good for beginner? Yeah, I mean indicator. Yeah, it's good to start at least. But you need to learn the strategy. Some strategy you need to learn some strategy and learn that thing. The indicator is just there, gonna help you, but in terms of entry and exit, it's not. It's all about the strategy. It's all about how you're going to adapt to the market. The entry, the exit, and risk management. You need to know that as well. Yeah, risk management, that's really important here. Risk management really important. Like buys if close bullish. Let's see. 3 minutes. If you're 1 year, 1.5, and you still not did you didn't see any results right now, it's okay. Just go through the obstacle because you gonna encounter a lot of obstacle going through the support right there, right strong. Yeah, I guess it's a little bit strong, but let's see here how the candle close. But I like the buys too, coach. If you go back to your first 3 month trading style, what's the best strategy you would start? Price action. This strategy. This strategy. Price action. Learn how to read candles. When I start learn this strategy, I never change. I never go through supply and demand. I never go through SMC, ICC, STD. You call it. I never change. This is the same approach I'm doing for 2 years now. because there is a people that been successful using this strategy, made a million using this strategy. Why I'm not using this strategy, right? If some people made a lot of money in this strategy, why I'm not gonna use this strategy, right? So you need to ask yourself. You need to follow the people that has a result. There's because right now, chap, there is a lot of traders in the YouTube social media right now that is just dropping signal, but they don't have any result. They just, oh, okay, buy now, sell now. So you need to follow the people that has a result. Give more buy price actions because trading is all about candles, right? We are trading the candles. So in price action, you're gonna learn how to read the candles. Let's say this candles, what's the candles looks like, this structure, what the structure look like, right? You're gonna learn how to read the candles. So this candle, what is candles tells you. So if the candles close like this doji, it means we don't have any volume. So it means the seller is a lot lower, right? So right now we have an impulse move. This kind of candle move down pretty heavy. So now we got volume, but directions we don't have yet. Understand? Make sense? That's how you gonna learn. If you want to learn the price action, you gonna learn the things: structure, the trend, session trend, market open, how why we need to wait for the candle to close, and this and that, right? So yeah, man, on if you want to learn price action, it's probably gonna take you 6 months to 1 year to learn, because you need to learn that the candles, why the candles are moving like this, like that, why the candles are reacting there, what happened, because there is resistance, there is support, that's why the candles are reacting. And you're gonna go through the setup, and you're gonna go through the next entry, entry, and where is the target, like that. It probably gonna take you, but if you wanna learn, yeah, just show up in the stream every single day, or go back to some previous video. I have some few videos in YouTube. Just check it out, bro. 15 minutes just printed. Yeah, 15 doesn't look good. So look at this, right? Look at this 15 minutes time frame. So right now we cannot take buy. Why? Because it closed with the small body candle. There is no high probability that the next candle will move up like this. No, there's no probability. Now we're gonna wait for the 30 minutes time frame. So if the 30 minutes time frame close like this, yeah, we probably gonna take buy, because the 30 is better than 15, right? And it looks the same. Look at this. So the 30, as you can see, it looks clean to move up. We got a range, we got a clean traffic, and look at the 15 too. It's pretty the same, right? So right now we're gonna wait for the next 15 to close. Trading is gonna be easy when you learn the things, when you have an edge, right? It's really hard on the start. If you start, it's really hard to learn strategy. Is really hard, but if you know the edge, if you know the strategy already, it's gonna be easy. Why? Because it's gonna be boring. Right now, it's gonna be boring because we're waiting, right? That's pretty much hard. Waiting time, because some of the traders cannot wait. Yeah, I'm gonna take buy here right now. I'm gonna take sell here right now. But once you learn the strategy, it's calm, easy. But the hard thing is waiting. I'm studying new setup to move by if over to now. It's nice area. Yeah. Or the next 15 close above the green wick. Then buy or sell closes at the current support. If this candle close with like this of candle, let's say it close like this, right? Yeah, we probably gonna take buy on the next 15 minutes because that's the 30 closure too, closure bullish. So it looks nice. Take buy, and that's the hourly open too. So the hourly will create the top wick if this candle decides to move down. Yeah. So we probably gonna take profit there, and yeah, man. So that's the 4 hour closure too. We need a top wick. So that's the top wick. This top wick will hit the profit, and probably if the candles react again, it will move down. That's the idea. The volume is decreasing today. Hourly, yeah, hourly volume, that's gonna be nice. Hourly and 30 minutes volume. Especially on NYSE, when the NYSE open, man, that's gonna give you, let's say, we probably have structure like this. I'm gonna mark this as the same structure. So we are price moving down like this, right? And we're tapping the support level, and then the 15 close bullish, probably like this. And this is gonna be the NYSE open, man. If the NYSE open will give you volume, bro, like this, probably one candle can reach 4471. It's gonna be the best thing. All right, Goldie, what's the plan today? 30 minutes close, 15 gonna close bullish. Okay, so that's really possible. Yeah. What you do this weekend? Gonna play badminton, bro. Need to play. And go to the gym probably. I'm for 3 days now. I'm not going to the gym. So I need to burn some fats, burn some calories probably. You guys are going gym? Chat? Some of you guys going gym? Where are you from? I'm from the from guess guess guess. Pinoy. Yeah, I'm from the Philippines. I live in Dubai. Gimworm, yeah. I mean, you guys ready to work out? You need to work out. Same. Oh, you're Filipino. Where are you right now? Are you in the Philippines or live in Canada? Oh, you stumble upon my stream? You just stumble upon my stream or some recommendations? How you went through the stream? You just watching YouTube? You just pops out on YouTube? I think it's an Indian. No, it's Filipino, bro. You see me YouTube or what, bro? Oh, Altea, nice. Yeah, man. How long you been trading? Oh, yeah. Bisaya ngani. How long you been trading, bro? Canada is failed move out, bro. Oh. No, Canada is good. Oh, 5 years now. Oh, nice. Nice. 50, what's that? 50,000? You lose 50,000, bro? Holy. 50K. What's that? Canadian USD or US dollar? Holy, bro. First time seeing this stream, I thought you were the drummer of Happy Tree. What was that? I don't know Happy Tree Prince Robias. Yeah, ooh, Canadian. Holy. How much that in USD? Pop punk band in pitch. I don't know, bro. I'm not um um fan of sorry to say I'm not fan of rock, you know. Acoustic, yeah, it's good. Acoustic and R&B because I'm a dancer, you know. I don't have any idea about band in Philippines. Oh, how much that USD, bro? Greed and not knowing those price action. Yeah, I mean that's the problem if you are a beginner. If you're a beginner, you're chasing a lot, you know, chasing money. I If you search it, might see your twin. Yeah. Let me see. What's the name? Happy Tree Friends. Oh, later obvious. You make me confused. Happy Tree Friends. It's like a cartoon character, bro. Happy Tree Friends. Ah, yeah. It's he has too much tattoo, huh? Yeah, this dude, bro. Look at this. Damn, he has too much tattoo. Yeah, man. Yeah. Take that. Yeah. Yeah, I take that. Cool. Yeah, I have a twin, you know. He has a drummer, I'm a dancer. He's a drummer and I'm a dancer, bro. Huh? That's a lot of money when you work 9 to 5. Yeah, that's a lot of money. I know that. How much that USD? I believe in the okay 35K. Holy bro, man, that's a lot of money, huh? A lot of money. The market take that. Sorry, but how's the journey so far, man? You take back all the lows, all the L's. Got it back last year. Oh, nice, 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 nice. How you feeling? How you feeling? Heading to the gym? IBN Batuta. Oh, nice. Which gym in IBN? It's warehouse. Warehouse gym. Oh, nice warehouse. Yeah, I'm working in the warehouse too. Sometimes. Where's feeling like have you cried, bro? Have you cry? Holy, that's really painful, man. Yeah. Which side you from? I'm working out in Alcuz. My wife even see me lying in the crowd. Holy, that's I mean, bro, in trading that's pretty normal, you know. Trading, I've been there too. I cry, but I did not lose a lot of money. Probably on the live capital, I lose 3 to 5K, but I cry because I don't know what to do because the strategy before is not working. So I just keep going, keep failing funded account, and yeah, right now it's all paying off. You just need to go through those obstacle, right? You just need to go through those um dark tunnel. That's why my pastime go to, yeah, that's true, that correct. I mean, if you guys have extra time, you need to go to the gym because gym is not all about building the muscles, you're working out, you're sweating. No, it's all about, for me, it's what do you call this? Gym, it's a therapy, because you need to reset your mind. And if I'm at the gym, I always figure out things. I can think properly what I'm gonna do next. What's my next move? Do you trade? I trade funded account. I always believe on the. I always believe if you wanna make, let's say, 10,000 US dollar, you need to lose 1,000. If you wanna make 100,000, you need to lose 10 grand, 10K. What problem you got? I got FTMO. FTMO. In Canada, how's the tax there, bro? How's the tax? You have 400 capital? Not yet. I'm not max allocated. Probably I'm gonna target this year. Probably end of quarter two. 50%, the tax 50%. Oh, tax really bad. Oh, that's sad. Yeah, in Dubai, man, there's no tax here. You made profit straight away into your bank account. There's no deduction and all. Holy, man, move. You need to move. You need to move. What broker are you using there, bro? Still Pew Prime? Pew Prime? Probably yes, Pew Prime. How's the spread? Don who lives in Canada. Yeah, he's living in Toronto. 34. Oh, it's too high, bro. I mean, yeah. So if you are trading with your own capital, you should use raw ECN. Yeah, I don't know about IB. I'm not doing IB. I only do trading. My money came from trading. IB no. How much? I don't know. It depends on the commission because if you're gonna use ECN, it will have a commission probably. But it's the spread is tight, very tight. I guess 1 pip or less than a pip. If you're gonna live, if you're planning to move here next year, yeah, man, probably gonna see you here. Probably gonna see you here, man. For sure, for sure. Goldie, man, close above, close below, but no bottom wick. Look at that. Early, no bottom wick. But if this 30 minutes flip, how much pip we can have? Stop loss 80 pip and then move down even further. Fill the wick. This is a little bit tricky right now because there's no bottom wick closure. It's a little bit tricky. Yeah, 50 minutes time frame. Yeah, I mean, it looks clean because I have a clean traffic here. I still have clean traffic here. So, yeah. But the problem is no bottom wick closure. That's really the problem there. Big problem. Probably gonna wait. There's no entry yet. 30 minutes need retracement. Yeah, 30 minutes need retracement because one, two, three, four, 5 candles are pushing towards to the downside. So this 30 minutes candle might react. Oh, the 4 hour no bottom wick too, man. It like holy. It's not look good here. This 4 hour can move up pretty heavy. Boom, like this. Because there's no bottom wick closure. Though we close bearish, but no bottom wick. So that means there's no range to move down. We don't have enough range to move down. Not doing good on sales. Yeah, true that. So you need to understand that too. If the candles are no bottom wick, there is no range to move down. So in that case, we need to wait. For 2 and Z that week, even, yeah. Possible quick down. Let's see. Right now, there's no directions. You come back and why? No. No, no, no. We're gonna come back next week. Not NY, next week, man. Next week. How was trading this week? I guess we're up this week. Storm at 23. Oh yeah. Two trades. I took two trades this week. Last week, yeah, down last week. But this month, up 65 pips. I don't know how much that in. Yeah, I'm up this month. Up this month. You guys up this month? How much you guys up this month? Let me know in the chat. Are you up this month, Sia? It's gonna dump further, to be honest. Let's see. I didn't trade the first 2 weeks this week. I'm up 6 out of every ish K pips. Oh, nice. How much that in USD? Profit. This week up, last week negative. 8K CAD. Oh, nice, bro. W, man. W, bro. Ay. Double session. See, see you, bro. See you, man. See you. See you. Gonna wait for one more candle and then let's see. Let's see how the candles close. 30 minutes candle close. As a journalist of your discipline, yeah, you need to be disciplined. You need to have a journal. It's all about journaling is all about data. How you're gonna collect data to the market. Collecting data, what's not working, what's not working. You should collect data too. You should learn. Got mine, but not that much. Do 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 do. Hmm. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Chat, what's the deal today, gang? What's the plan? What's your plan today? Still gonna hop onto the chart? Hey, chat. Oh, what is the deal? Tung, 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 tung. Alrighty, alrighty. 3 minutes. Gang, 3 minutes. Two minutes for the candle to close. You didn't close above. We're gonna call the stream. No buenos. And no top wick, chat. Holy. Yeah, man, gang chat. So yeah, no closure above my college stream. I get to see you guys next week. So yeah, man, chat. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream today. I really appreciate you all. Gonna see you guys next week. Love and wisdom to you all, man, chat. W's in the chat, man. Peace and love.
I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine. treated you enough. Don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best word. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive.